Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to install plugins on Reaper. So, we're using the Reaper version 7.39 here, but all of the ways to install the plugins are the same. So, let's move on with the video. So, here I have my download right here. This is our plugin directly from Reaper. What we want to do is we just want to cut or copy that, and then we want to find our Reaper folder to our computer right here. From here, want to go to plugins, and then you just want to copy, continue, administrator. And then once it's there, right here, we're gonna want to install it. Select yes, agree. And then once it's installed, go to Reaper. And then what you want to do is go to options, select preferences or control P. From here, you're gonna want to scroll down to plugins right here. Go to VST, click on rescan, and then simply what you want to do is to just clear cache and rescan for VST paths for all plugins. Click on OK. That's it. You're good to go. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.